In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join classes using Zoho. This is a simple process, but it's really important to get it right, so you can access your class on time without any stress. First, you'll want to start by opening your email. You can do this on a computer, a tablet, or your phone, whichever you're most comfortable with. Make sure you're signed into the email account that your instructor or institution uses to contact you. If you have multiple email accounts, double check that you're in the correct inbox, because the invitation will only go to the address they have on file for you. Once your email is open, take a moment to look for the invitation to join your Zoho class. This invitation is usually sent by your teacher, school, or organization, and it may contain words like class invitation, Zoho, or the name of the course in the subject line. If you don't see it right away in your main inbox, try using the search bar in your email and type in Zoho or the course name. It's also a good idea to check folders like spam, junk, promotions, or updates, because sometimes automated emails can end up there by mistake. When you locate the invitation email, go ahead and open it. Inside, you should see a message that explains you've been invited to join a class, along with a button or link that allows you to join through Zoho. Take a quick look at the details in the email, such as the class name and who it's from, just to confirm that it's the correct class and that it looks legitimate. Next, click on the join button or link provided in that email. This is the key step that connects you to the class in Zoho. After you click, your browser will open a new page. Depending on how your account is set up, you may be asked to sign into Zoho or confirm your email address. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and continue until you see confirmation that you've successfully joined the class. Once you've joined, it's helpful to bookmark the class page or save the confirmation email so you can easily get back to it later. And that's all there is to it. Open your email, find the invitation, and click join to access your class using Zoho.